In Microsoft SharePoint Server 2010, we've enhanced the experience for creating, editing, and sharing your information on pages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a SharePoint page, configure the text layout, format text, insert an image and web parts, and create links between pages. I'll also show you how multiple people can collaborate on a single page. So let's get going. I'm signed into the Contoso marketing team site as Peter. Let's pretend that he wants to create a page for the team's marketing campaigns. I click the Site Actions menu, click New Page, type the name for the page, and then click Create. The first thing I notice on the new page is the ribbon, which I'll use to add and configure content on the page. I know what I want the layout of the page to be, so from the ribbon I choose Text Layout. There are many options. I don't need to worry though, because I can change it later. I'll choose 2 columns and a header. Now I'll add and configure text on the page. When I select the text and change an option, such as font size, I get a live preview of what the text will look like. There, that looks pretty good, and I can center it and make it bold. I can create a bulleted list by selecting the text, and in the ribbon, clicking bullets. Now I'll add a little space between them. Editing a SharePoint page is a lot like working in my word processor. I want to add our team picture to the page, so I click on the page where I want to insert the picture, click the Insert tab, click the Picture down arrow, and choose the source for the picture. I'm going to choose From Computer. I browse to the location, double-click the picture, and click OK. And click Save. The picture is a little big for the page, but I can just grab the edge of the picture and resize it. Because the picture is selected, there's a new tab in the ribbon, Picture Tools. It has many options for working with images, such as image styles, position, and size. And there's live preview for a picture, just like there is for text. Working with pictures in SharePoint 2010 is that easy. I'm now signed in as Kelly, the marketing team manager. I want to display the shared documents library on the page. To do this, I put the page in edit mode. I click on the page where I want to insert the library. I click the Insert tab and then click Existing List. And then I select the shared documents library and click Add. But Shared Documents doesn't display just the documents related to the campaigns. So I point to Shared Documents, click the down arrow, and click Edit Web Parts. In Shared Document Properties, I change the view to Campaign Documents. I created this earlier. I change the title to Campaign Documents, and then I click OK. And now only the documents related to the campaigns are displayed. I'm signed in as Peter again. Now that the page is farther along, I want to change it slightly. I click the Edit button, select the bulleted list, use the familiar Control-I keyboard shortcut to italicize the text. I drag and drop the Shared Documents library to the right column. The page is looking good, so I click Save and Close. I'm signed in as Kelly again. I've been working on documents for the marketing campaigns and need to get them into the document library. In the Campaign Documents library, click Add Documents and click Upload Files. I just happen to have Windows Explorer handy with the files I want to upload. I select the documents, drag them into the dialog, click OK, and then click Done. And the files have been uploaded to the document library. I can make a link to another page, such as the home page, using wiki links. I can even make a wiki link to a page that doesn't exist yet. To edit the page, I click Edit. I type 2 left square brackets and I get a choice of pages, lists, and views in the site. I scroll to the home page and hit Enter. I want to create a wiki link to a page that doesn't exist yet. I put square brackets around spring and save the page I'm currently on. When I click the home link, I'm taken to the home page. Back on the campaigns page, spring is underlined with dashes because it doesn't exist yet. When I click spring, I'm prompted to create the page. I click Create. On the new page, I type some text and click Save and Close. I click the back button in the browser to get back to the campaign page. In SharePoint 2010, it's easier than ever to collaborate on pages with rich, free-form content, add and use lists and libraries from pages, and link between pages. This helps make SharePoint even more invaluable for storing and communicating information. For more information about SharePoint products, see the following site.